Okay, let's begin by logging into the PMWeb main site. And we're also going to cover our login credentials for Power BI, which is built into some of the functionality of PMWeb. Here you can see I've landed on CDOT's main homepage for PMWeb. And I'm going to go to this first link here, Access PMWeb. Now, before we continue the login process, if you have not yet requested your PMWeb login credentials, you'll need to go ahead and do that. And obviously what you would do is hit this right here, Request Access, and that's going to lead you through a step-by-step process of getting that PMWeb access set up for your account. If you've already done that step, then we're ready to log in, and we're going to go ahead and click on our Access PMWeb button. So if I click on that, it takes me to this sign on. What I want is my login credential, which is typically last name, first initial, which is mine right here, Griffin S @dot.state.co.us. That's the format for logging in to PMWeb. And of course, it's already auto-filled in my password because I have this page bookmarked already. You can also set a bookmark for this page if you would like. Skip some steps in the future. Auto-save that password if you would like. Go ahead and sign on. And it usually takes just a second. And now it's going to ask me for that two-factor authentication. And here it is. Go ahead and sign on. Normally you don't want to show people your two-factor. And it usually takes just a second after I enter that two-factor in. And here we are. We are now landed in the PMWeb homepage environment. Maggie's going to orient us to the aspects and different features of this main page in a different video. For now, I'll just point out that you can use this caret off to the side to expand this left toolbar. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead on our top bar to the dashboards and reports. And the reason I'm doing that now is I want us to also go over the login credentials for the Power BI dashboarding environment. So if I go ahead and click on dashboards and reports, here's a list of all the available dashboards and reporting that we have available. And I want to go to this bottom right, Dashboards Power BI, and I can click on any of these. I'm going to go ahead and just click on this combined dashboard application. So when I click on that, it should ask me for credentials, which this is not the correct login, so I want to use a different account. And here it's remembered, Griffin S @dot.state.co.us. That happens to be the exact same username that we had to log into PMWeb. We are now going to use that for Power BI. So I'm going to select that, hit next. And again, it's already remembered my password because I've obviously saved it. You can enter your password in. It should be the same as your Windows login password credential. Go ahead and sign in. And here we are. So now in the future, as I click through the different applications here in Power BI, go to different dashboards, I should not need to log in again to the Power BI environment unless I clear out my cookies and my history and all of that. But we are now logged in to both the PMWeb and Power BI environments.